Embarking on a journey towards spiritual maturity is a transformative experience that leads to profound inner growth and enlightenment. It is a path that requires dedication, introspection, and a deep connection with one's spiritual beliefs. With scriptural guidance as our compass, we can navigate through life's challenges and uncover the true purpose of our existence. In this article, we explore the key elements that empower our spiritual growth and guide us towards achieving spiritual maturity. The journey begins, pursuing spiritual maturity. The pursuit of spiritual maturity marks the beginning of an extraordinary journey. It is a conscious decision to seek a deeper understanding of our spiritual beliefs and the essence of our existence. This pursuit involves a commitment to self-reflection, personal development, and cultivating a consciousness that aligns with spiritual principles. By embracing this journey, we open ourselves up to the limitless possibilities of growth and enlightenment. Embracing Scripture, a guiding light on the path. Scripture serves as a guiding light on our quest for spiritual maturity. It offers profound wisdom, timeless teachings, and invaluable insights that provide clarity and direction. The Scriptures act as a roadmap, illuminating our path and helping us align our thoughts, actions, and beliefs with the sacred teachings. Embracing Scripture allows us to deepen our connection with the divine and fosters a sense of reverence and awe for the spiritual journey we embark upon. Cultivating inner strength, nurturing spiritual growth. Cultivating inner strength is a pivotal aspect of nurturing spiritual growth. Spiritual maturity requires resilience, perseverance, and an unwavering commitment to self-improvement. It involves the development of virtues such as patience, compassion, and forgiveness. Through mindful practices such as meditation, prayer, and self-reflection, we strengthen our inner core, enabling us to navigate life's challenges with grace and wisdom. Overcoming obstacles, a testament to resilience. On the path to spiritual maturity, obstacles are inevitable. However, our ability to overcome these hurdles serves as a testament to our resilience and spiritual growth. Challenges provide opportunities for self-discovery and the refinement of our character. By facing adversity head-on and turning to our spiritual beliefs for guidance, we develop the strength and wisdom necessary to transcend obstacles and emerge stronger and wiser on the other side. Connecting with community, thriving together. Spiritual growth is not an isolated journey, it is deeply intertwined with our connection to others. Community plays a crucial role in our pursuit of spiritual maturity. Engaging with like-minded individuals who share our spiritual values creates a supportive and nurturing environment for growth. Through shared experiences, discussions, and collective spiritual practices, we enhance our understanding of ourselves and deepen our connection with the divine. Practicing gratitude, fueling spiritual transformation. Gratitude is a powerful catalyst for spiritual transformation. By cultivating a grateful mindset, we unlock the door to abundant spiritual growth. Gratitude shifts our focus from what is lacking to what is abundant in our lives, allowing us to appreciate the blessings that surround us. It opens our hearts to the divine presence and fosters a deeper connection with our spiritual beliefs. Through gratitude, we invite transformative energy into our lives and pave the way for spiritual maturity. Embracing change, evolving on the spiritual path. Embracing change is an integral part of the spiritual journey. As we progress towards spiritual maturity, we must be open to evolving and transforming our beliefs and perspectives. Change allows us to expand our consciousness, challenge our preconceived notions, and embrace new possibilities. By remaining adaptable and receptive to the winds of change, we grow exponentially and continue to deepen our understanding of ourselves and the divine. Empowering others, sharing the gift of spiritual maturity. True spiritual maturity lies not only in our own growth, but also in our ability to empower and uplift others. We become conduits of love, compassion, and wisdom, sharing the gift of spiritual maturity with those around us. By offering guidance, support, and encouragement to others on their spiritual journeys, we create a ripple effect of positive transformation in the world. Empowering others through our own spiritual growth is a sacred responsibility that amplifies the impact we have on the collective consciousness. The path to spiritual maturity is a deeply personal and transformative journey. By pursuing spiritual growth with determination, embracing Scripture as our guiding light, cultivating inner strength, overcoming obstacles, connecting with community, practicing gratitude, embracing change, and empowering others, we unlock the infinite potential within ourselves and embark on a path of profound spiritual enlightenment. May we all find the courage and inspiration to embrace this transformative journey and discover the true essence of our souls.